This is where you exit Dane County Regional Airport, and it's a balmy 70 degrees in October. But the great thing is there's covered parking there in the ramp. It's only $10. But if you're even more frugal like me and it's nice weather, you can see all the spaces available there. Quite a few. You can take this path here to the budget lot, which is actually even closer to the airport entrance as you come in. And you can park in the budget lot for just $6 a day currently, which I love. It's the best deal, one of the best deals out there I know of. But be aware, it is a little bit of a walk to the budget lot, or economy lot they call it. There's signs, so if you're splitting the cost or something, maybe you don't want to do it, but for me, when traveling solo, it's a great option. And you could have one person drop off your party and then go park the car in the budget lot without dealing with the bag like me. And the only thing I'll point out is in Wisconsin it can snow, so if it's snowing a lot, then you might want that covered parking in the garage and forgo the budget economy lot. So you can see we've been running about 2 minutes and I'm progressing to the budget lot, but not quite there yet. It's up there in the cars, so probably another minute and you'll be there.